Okay, story time. Last Monday, nag-book kami ng tickets to Singapore and guess what? Flight na namin next week. Alam nyo na yan, mahal ang tickets at hotel accommodations. Pero habang naghahanap ako ng hotel, may discover akong hack and syempre, hindi ko yun i-gatekeep. Here is my step-by-step guide on how I did it. Step number 1, open your Agoda app. Mas mura talaga sa phone, promise. Step number 2, claim all the discount coupons that you can find. Then enter your details, location, dates, number of packs, etc. Step number 3, sort by lowest price at isa-isahin ang mga hotel. Step number 4, open ChatGPT and search hotel name, nearest MRT station. Then ChatGPT will put other details. Step number 5, double check sa Google Maps kung accurate yung walking time. Step number 6, voila! Perfect hotel found kahit limited lang ang time ko maghanap. Most important tip, wag nyo kaming gagayahin sa biglaang booking. Kaya, good news to my fellow travelers, Agoda is having an 8/8 sale. Get an extra 15% off on accommodations plus 10% discount kapag ginamit mo yung exclusive code ko. Follow me and join my community on Facebook for more Pinoy family budget DIY travel tips. Bye!